'cause I don't give a fuck what you say. Yeah, I'ma do shit my way. So you can go kick rocks, I'ma stack bricks up, build what I want to make.
Yo, I got a lot of shit to say, so I'ma do this every day. I'll be writing things until I'm fucking buried in my grave. 6 feet deep under, but my body won't decay. Cause my messages are timeless, so they'll put them on display. Oh yeah, I rap with a certainty, I have a sense of urgency. A message for eternity, for everyone internally. I had some people burning me, but now they fucking learn to see I ain't the one to fuck with, now they looking nervously. And I don't really care what you think of me, respectfully. You can kick rocks if you think you're fucking better, see I will outwork you, turn you to an enemy. Hurt you so bad that you're gonna need some therapy. I got the motherfucking recipe, I've been cooking up hits, I'ma leave a legacy. You'll be looking small when you're standing right next to me. I'm 5'10", bitch, but I'm 10 feet.
I don't give a fuck what you say. Yeah, I'ma do shit my way. You can go kick rocks, I'ma stack bricks up, build what
Thì phải chép là dòng chùa.
I'ma do shit my way. So you can go kick
Chùa
rocks,
là
I'ma stack bricks up, build
Quán hả?
Quán nào?
Preman jalanan nih. Ngapain kamu di sana? Hah? Mau makan? Ya.
A college graduate suppressing all his talents, yeah. He found a way to go and change, become an advocate for taking control of your life. Go out and battle, and you think you have a dream, then act on it. Get after it, get out your head and fucking capture it. You got one life to master it. Don't give up on your future. We all start losers. We're all late bloomers, gotta struggle through the sewer.
what you say.
Grup yang kedua.
Do shit my way.
Grup yang kedua.
You can go kick rocks, I'ma stack bricks up.
Aku udah tahu apa sih?
So you can go kick rocks, I'ma stack bricks up, build what I want to make.
Depan gitu, enak aja.
Ini lagi bersih-bersih nih.
Ulah cina wa RW mah.
Tuh.
Oh, foto
Begitu pula.
kabeh.
Mandi dulu si Jaguarna.
Terima kasih sudah menonton. Jangan lupa like, komen, dan subscribe.